examine a few flowers of a cucurbit plant. Remember kids, cucurbit plant is nothing but cucumber or pumpkin family. Try to identify the staminate and the pistillate flowers. Do you know any other plants that bears unisexual flowers? Now, kids, remember what the question is trying to say. Break it down. Examine a few flowers of cucurbit plant. Okay. Now, try to identify staminate. Staminate means male flowers and pistillate means female flowers. Now, do you know any other plant that bears unisexual, means having only one type of flower? So answer here goes it, staminate flowers or male flowers has only stamens and no carpels, whereas pistillate flowers has only carpels and no stamens. Simple, male will have male and female will have female organs. And plant that bears unisexual flowers are papaya and date plant. Simple. Okay.